Hello and welcome to the first lecture of Introduction to Java. In this lecture, we're going to talk about how Java work behind the scene. So, first of all, we need to know that what a Java is. Well, a Java is a programming language, you might know, and Java is a platform independent language. It means that we can run Java in any computer. For example, if I code Java in one PC, I can run that code in another PC also, and we can share it through GitHub and so on. And through Java, we can make many stuff. Like we can make websites, we can make apps, we can make games, we make a software using Java. Java JDK library provides us a huge classes through which we can do a lots of stuffs. When we write a code in Java using any IDE, in my case I'm using IntelliJ IDEA, what happened that this IDE convert your Java code into a machine code. And how is that happen? This is happen through compiler. A compiler is a translator which translate the high level language, which is Java, into a machine language. And a machine language is a language which machine can understand and process and then can produce the result or store the result depend on the requirements. So I think it's enough for the theory. Let's jump into IDE and see how we can write our first Java code. So see you in the IDE right now. So let's implement our first Java code. So first of all, we need a new project. So click on File and click on New and Project. Now you need to name the project. So before naming, you need to just go through this, all right? Press next, next, and then name the project. So this is our first project, so I'm going to name it Hello World. So Hello World, and yeah, Hello World. So we're going to say finish. And it says this project is already available, so let me write a course. Yeah, course is fine, so finish. And now we can say this window or new window. So this window. So this will appear in this window, not a new window. So then we need a new class. So to create a new class, go to the course, the project, and right click on a SRC, which stands for source, and then click on a new, okay? And what is happening to the mouse? Yeah, so click new and Java class, and now you need to name that class. So we're gonna create a main class. So class always start from capital letter MAIN, main, okay? So press OK, and then you have that class. Now in order to print something, or in order to make the computer to compile your code, what you need to do, you need to create another class which is public static void main, which is just like a function inside of the class, and this main function will run the code. Okay, you can run the code through this main function. So it is public static void main. Inside of that you need to put two parameters like string, arguments, array, alright, parentheses, and this is it. And shortcut for this is PSVM plus tab. Now we need to print something. So in order to print something, we need to use the class system. Now this is class since it starts from capital letter, and dot. It now give you the methods. So dot out, this is method inside some method, and like that. And now we need to print hello world. Yeah, hello world. So this is how the hello world code I just wrote. Now I want to compile this, so press right on this main and click on run. Now as you can see, the compilation process is going on. It will compile the code, wait for a while, and there we go. The code is right in the console. Yeah, hello world. Now this system.out to print ln. ln stands for new line, print the value inside the console. All right, this is a class, and don't worry, we will cover the class in our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.